Alright, today we're going to make a macaroni fruit salad. I had here some macaronis that I've already cooked up. I've chilled, drained the water out of. I have here some fruit cocktail. Just put that right on in there. And we got some sun-made raisins. I'm going to put about a cup of raisins in there. And give this a good little mixing through. Just like that. Now, got some mayonnaise here. About a half a cup. Like that. Mix this right on through. Just like that. Now you could put anything in here. You could put some sour cream in here. You could put some Philadelphia cream cheese. Melt that down a little bit. But I'm using the mayonnaise this time. I think it gives it a creamier taste with the mayo. Just like that. Mix it through. And there you go. That is a great summertime salad. Thanks for watching.